to Drupalcon. So thanks for bringing the scissors. And this is our ribbon, which is actually a network cable for the people in the back. Just like everything else in Drupal, it only has to be functional, right? It doesn't have to be an exact ribbon. So I guess I'll cut the ribbon to start the conference. Improve the node access control system, and much more actually. These are just the bigger things we did. And so, did we reach the peak of inflated expectations for Drupal 7? I would say so. I think we've done an incredible job adding features, and I think, without any doubt, I think Drupal 7 will be the best release ever. So, I would like all of the people that have or helped added one or more patches to Drupal 7 to stand up for a second, so you can see how many people actually helped make Drupal 7. So.
Feel about the community process, decision-making process on Drupal.org, and I know you have a different role in it than the rest of us, but, and sort of what you feel like can be done to improve it in terms of consensus decision-making process, technologically, but also culturally, as we grow and it becomes more difficult for a lot of us to be involved.
Right. I think what will naturally happen is more specialization. As Drupal grows, people will sort of start to focus on areas of projects, and naturally I've learned to, we very much use a trust model. There's, depending on who reviews a patch or commits a patch, it actually makes my job easier or more difficult. For example, if Chicks or Peter come up with a menu system patch, it's much easier for me to get that accepted, because I trust their work, because I know those systems inside out. And so, effectively, they're the maintainers of those things, and it's very easy to get their stuff in. Versus if somebody that I don't know commits a patch, I still have to start building that relationship, building that trust. And so what I think will happen as we grow, I think, that trust relationship will become increasingly important. I don't feel like we need to make fundamental changes to the decision-making process. Looking at what we did in Drupal 7,